Hello, family, friends, Facebook followers. So really quick, we're just going to do a follow-up, an update, and an adjustment on the Bryna HD hoster. And you saw the other video that I modified it by using the self-tapping screws. So that's these, and you can see them. The problem is when it drops on the belt. So I have this set up because we just finished doing the rapid force alien gear holster. Now it's been adjusted and tightened and also self-tapped, so that's done. I'm gonna move this over here to here. And this goes here. So one of the problems I run into is this. If anybody knows, if you watched the video, I have the Bryna HD AccuMold duty belt, and it molds and flexes. So here we go. This is actually the HD Pepper ball rounds. There's 5 of them in here. Easily grab them. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so be real careful with those, because if they break open, forget it. So this goes here. Let's move this over here so you can see what I'm doing. This goes up, okay? You can't really see the holes, but this drops in here. Make sure it gets okay. So if you want to see that, see how that rides in there, and then this folds over. What I gotta do first though is you're probably thinking, wow, that's kind of ghetto, don't you think? And then the thing is, my answer to that is, when I'm running, I don't want it to fall off. And I didn't design the holster and the belt. There could be some modifications. That's why we do this. Okay, so, and let's see if I can turn this around. It's at the cant I want, so that way it doesn't stick in my leg. And then also, most importantly, it drops right in there. So, I just want to do this update real quick on that. Today I'm going to be meeting with 2 other guys. So we're going to be a 3-man team now. And I'm sure they're all excited to show me their tools and gear. That's all we've been talking about. And I want to make sure that my things are in order also, and I'm able to use them. There is a warrant coming out for somebody in Phoenix, so right now I'm getting the intel on that. So if you like what you see, hit that button and subscribe, or just leave a comment. Thank you.